Welcome to Ask and Learn.
An electric clothes dryer has a heating element with a resistance of 8.6 ohms. And first, we want to find out what the current is in the element when it is connected to 240 volts. So that's volts, that's our voltage. So first thing, V equals 240 and resistance equals 8.6 ohms. And we need to find the current. Using the formula we have, V equals IR, and so I equals V by R. This is equal to 240 divided by 8.6, and if you calculate that, 240 divided by 8.6, you get 27.9 amps. So that's our current. The second question is how much charge passes through the element in 50 minutes? So the time we have, or actually lowercase t, is 50 minutes, but we need this in terms of seconds. So it's going to be 50 times 60 seconds. And from our previous calculation, we know that the current is 27.9 amps. And we want to find the charge. So Q equals IT. So that's going to equal 27.9 times 50 times 60. So if you calculate that, you get 83,700 coulombs. So that's how much charge passes through the element in 50 minutes.